Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I just want to thank everybody that's took the time to like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. It really means a lot to me. And if you haven't hit that red subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? I've got a lot of fun ideas on the way. Today I want to show you how I made this boho style jewelry holder. To make the jewelry holder, I used 4 of the larger wooden pallets from Dollar Tree, 5 of the wooden blocks from the Tumbling Tower game, 2 of the 6-inch wooden dowels, 150 grit sandpaper, and a pencil, all of which I got at the Dollar Tree. I start by measuring the wooden dowels. I want 4 dowels the same length of the Tumbling Tower blocks. Once I have all 4 marked out, I'll be using my benchtop mini cutoff saw to cut the dowels to the right size. If you don't have a cutoff saw, this can easily be done with a pair of heavy-duty shears, pliers, or the handsaw from Dollar Tree. Once I have all 4 dowels cut, I take my sandpaper and just sand the edges so they're good and smooth. Once that was done, I gave all the wood pieces a nice good coat of the Krylon Dark Vintage Antiquing Wax. After the wax had plenty of time to completely dry, I used a combination of the Super Glue wood glue from Dollar Tree and the Gorilla Hot Glue to glue the pallets together. After the pallets was glued together, I then used the same combination of glues to attach the wooden dowels and the wooden blocks. Now that all my pieces were glued into place and dry, I used the Crafter's Square twine and the Tool Bench white cotton twine from Dollar Tree to add a little something to my piece. I started with the brown twine and the first block. I added a dab of hot glue and wrapped the twine around twice, securing it with hot glue as needed. I then did the same with the white twine on the next block. To finish this piece, I then continued to alternate between the 2 twines until I had all the pieces wrapped around the base. To make the tassels, I used the twine and the Tumbling Tower box. I want 2 tassels in each color. For the white tassel, I wrap the box about 35 times, and for the brown tassel, I wrap it about 20. I want the 2 tassels on the ends to hang a little bit shorter than the ones in the middle. So when I get done, I make sure to measure before I cut the twine. Once all 4 tassels were finished, I laid them on the back of the hanger, alternating colors with the shortest tassels on the outside. I then used 5 light wood beads and 4 dark wood beads from a beaded car seat cover that I got at Walmart on sale and strung them onto the tassels. I then hot glued the tassels into place and then secured them with extra hot glue. Now to make this to where I can hang it on the wall, I'm going to use a piece of each twine and tie it together at each end. I then just hot glue it to the back. I'm loving the way this piece turned out, and I think it definitely gives off the boho vibe. If you like this video and want to see more videos like it, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. And also, if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, I would love it if you click that button and stick around and be part of the family. I'll see you next time.